morning. It's Mr. Harrod, and I am back with beginner recorder lesson number 14. That's hard to believe. It's early in the morning, so my voice is a little tired and rusty, so you're going to have to bear with me. But we'll get through this lesson. Today we're going to be doing an E-flat note, E-flat. The E-flat is just slightly lower than the E natural. Let's look at it on the staff. It is the low one, so it'd be the first line, E, but it'll either have a flat in the key, in the key signature over here, or it'll have a little flat sign, looks like a little B, a little flat sign next to the note head, E flat. Now let's look at how to play an E flat. We've covered how to play an E. It's your thumb on totally, and then with your left hand, 1, 2, 3 fingers, and with your right hand you're covering up, the first 2 fingers like this. This is a regular E. And then if you want to make the pitch just slightly lower, a half step, you take your ring band of your right hand, and if you look at the hole, there are 2 holes. And then the one closest to your finger is the larger hole, and then the one after that is a smaller hole. And you only want to cover the first hole, the larger hole. So your finger is halfway on. It's not totally covered. That would be a D. So here's what a D looks like. And then now I'm going to show you the E flat. I move my finger back and cover that first one. So I'm going to start on the E note and let you hear the difference. Here's the regular E. Now I'm going to cover that first hole. Hear how it goes down a little bit? That's an E flat. So I'm going to go back and forth between the E natural, the regular E, and the E flat. So you can tell it's just slightly lower. Now you're probably wondering, well, when in the world am I ever going to use an E flat? Well, actually, you will use it quite a bit depending on what key you're in. It makes a big difference in what key. So it is a very useful note to know. It's not hard to play. It just takes a little practice, just dropping that third finger down and just covering half the hole. Instead of, that would be a whole step from E to D, E to E flat. So that's how you play the E flat. Let's do a little echo. I'm going to play a 4-beat pattern, and then you. Me first, then you, 4 beats. Good. Good. Last one. Very good. And you could practice going from the E flat to the C, which is kind of weird, but you could do that. You could also practice going from the E flat to the F, which you probably will be doing if you're playing a melody with an E flat. See how I'm doing that? E flat, and then run your finger across it and lift up that ring, the tall man. E flat, F, E flat, F, E flat, F, G, F, E flat. So play with that a little bit and just practice that E flat along with some other notes. Just getting that feel. It's called finger memory, where your fingers automatically go to the right spot, but you're only going to get that if you practice and repeat those notes over and over again. D, C, D, E flat, F, G, F, E flat, F, E flat. I hope that helps. Practice, practice, practice.